Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Power Ministry sets up Regulatory Compliance Division for monitoring. Power Minister urges to switch to electric vehicles. Bids invited for solar projects at thermal power plants in Gujarat. Coming to the details. The Union Ministry has set up a Regulatory Compliance Division to monitor the adherence of regulatory parameters by state-run electricity distribution companies and state electricity regulators. Key issues such as timely and adequate tariff revisions, limiting cross-subsidies to acceptable levels, and ensuring renewable purchase obligations by DISCOMs come under the purview of state regulators. And these regulations not getting implemented uniformly across the country causes disruptions throughout the power sector value chain. Irregular tariff revisions limit the DISCOM's ability to become financially viable, which in turn leads to delayed payment to power generators and makes it difficult to maintain and upgrade their own network and system. The center has already asked the states to restrict the creation of fresh regulatory assets, a jargon for recoverable DISCOM expenses which regulators acknowledge as pass-through costs but are not immediately built into tariffs, and clear these existing regulatory assets soon. Raising charges for open access and denying open access approvals has also been cited by the industry as a few regulatory constraints impacting the faster adoption of renewable energy. Irregularities in the payments to power generators by DISCOMs are also not expeditiously addressed by many state regulators. The Forum of Regulators will prepare norms on various regulatory parameters and issues which would be adopted by the state commissions. To lower the cost of electricity, the Power Ministry is also working on resource adequacy guidelines and guidelines for power procurement, keeping in mind factors such as load fluctuation requirement, contract term, and energy mix. A recent report by Forum of Regulators to measure the impact of power purchase cost on retail electricity tariffs had pointed out that the DISCOMs in 12 states are cumulatively paying a hefty 17,500 crore a year for power they don't use as fixed costs. Under contractual requirements, DISCOMs have to continue paying fixed costs to thermal power plants to recover the project's capital expenditure and cover debt obligations even when they do not procure electricity during the periods of low demand. Go Electric campaign was launched by the government to promote electric vehicles to meet multiple objectives, attaining the goal of reduction in emission, energy security, energy efficiency. Under the initiative, Power Minister R.K. Singh has urged all union ministers and chief ministers to switch over to electric vehicles for all official purposes. The minister has also asked the union ministers and chief ministers to advise their respective ministries departments to convert their fleet of official vehicles from present internal combustion engines petrol diesel vehicles to electric vehicles for all official purposes. Such an action is expected to set an example for the general public and encourage them to switch over to e-mobility. The Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited has invited bids for 4.5 megawatt of grid-connected solar projects. A 2.5 megawatt solar project will be developed at Gandhinagar Thermal Power Station and a 2 megawatt solar project at Sikka Thermal Power Station in Jamnagar district. The last date to submit the bids is September 13, 2021. The pre-bid meeting will be held on September 2nd. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 212.56 MU of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 9 rupees 47 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 9 rupees 81 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 14 rupees 57 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 6 rupees 59 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 10 rupees 16 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.